Good evening. I'm going to remove that old rusty deep flange where the water shutoff is for the toilet. And I'm going to install this two-piece unit. So I'm going to use a good pair of snips to remove the old one. I'm going to have to cut it. I got my safety glasses on, my gloves, and my mask. Here we go. Well, trying to get in there, need some more leverage. I'm going to have to block the view. Let me pause it while I remove it. Okay, here it is. I did cut it out. I was able to remove it. You can see how rusty it was. I'll clean up the floor around there before I put the new one on. This opening is a little too narrow, so I'm going to have to drill it out a little bit. Okay, I've had to enlarge it with a spade bit. Let's see if it fits now. Yes, it does fit. Job completed. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, give me a like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time.